Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the September 2020 Precuts Classic Quilt Box. If you're new to these boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes, and Precuts offers a couple different kind of boxes. This one is the classic box. They also have one that's called a stash builder that's full of just fabric, and then I think they still have their table runner box as well. I will make sure to put a link in the description box below this video on where you can get these boxes. I did have one person comment last time saying the boxes were no longer available. I'm not sure where they got that information from, because when I clicked on it, their subscription page was right there. So just make sure you click on the description box below this video and the link will take you right to these boxes. So inside every box, they do have their little description card here. It tells you everything that's inside your box. It also tells you who is going to be featured in this month's box, and I am super excited because this month features Corey Yoder. She is one of my all-time favorite Moda designers. If you're new to Corey Yoder, definitely check her out on Instagram. She also has a blog and she shares all kinds of fun quilty goodies. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this month's box. Oh, and I forgot to mention, there is a coupon code in here, 25% off your entire purchase, and then they also have free shipping on orders over $35. And then when you get your boxes, if you take pictures and share them using hashtag Precuts Quilt Shop or Precuts Quilt Box, you will be entered to win the next month's box for free. And so they have their winner on the back here from last month's box. So definitely make sure to share your boxes. The first thing in my box here is this really pretty, kind of a peachy pink color. This is a Mettler thread, and this is their silk finish cotton 50 weight thread. It says the mercerization of all Mettler cottons creates that beautiful silk-like sheen, high breaking resistance, color fastness, and optimal elongation. It retails for $3.65, and it matches the fabric I'm about to show you perfectly. Our next item here are these Riley Blake Notions 1-inch adhesive dots. They are a double adhesive dot, so they're sticky on both sides, and they're used for application of trims, embellishments, flowers, and buttons, and to help attach and adorn any sewing craft or hobby project you might have in mind. This package contains 24 round adhesive dots, and it retails for $3.54. I don't know if you've done any scrapbooking, but these kind of remind me of those little glue dots you can use to put your pictures down, or little ribbons and things like that. So not entirely sure I'm going to be using this for quilting, but they're still cute. The next thing in our box here is this Pleasant Home Ruler Pal. Now I have a couple of these and I love them. They're the perfect addition to your sewing room, perfect for organizing your acrylic rulers for a clutter-free workspace. This one is 4¼ inches by 7½ and it holds 3 quilting rulers, and it retails for $14.90. So I went ahead and took that off so I can show you how it works. It has these little grooves in it, and then they're painted. They've got these little kind of rubbery dots on the bottom so that they don't scratch your table and slide around. You can just put your ruler in there and bam, it holds your rulers up. So like I said, it holds 3 rulers and it matches all of the stuff in our box, so very cute. And just so I don't confuse anyone, the ruler is not included. I just grabbed one to show you how it works. The next thing in our box is this cute pattern designed by Corey Yoder, and I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the package because it's super shiny and I don't think you can see it that way, but here we go. So this is called the Patched Quilt Pattern by Coriander Quilts, and it finishes at 75 inches by 83, so it's pretty good size, and the pattern itself retails for $9.95. It says you need 1 layer cake, or 1 layer cake, 2 charm packs, and about 5½ yards of background fabric, and then of course your binding and your backing. And I'm just looking through this pattern just so you know it's all color. I don't want to give away too much information here. So the only thing I would say about this is it's probably maybe categorized as like an intermediate pattern, not because it's super difficult, but just because of the amount of pieces. So as you can see, these big squares in the middle, totally easy, definitely beginner friendly. The thing that makes it more intermediate in my opinion is just this sashing right here, because it's got a ton of these little hourglass blocks, which are basically just half square triangles that you kind of sew twice and then they turn into those little hourglass looking shapes. But there are a lot of those, so I think I would list this as an intermediate pattern only for that reason, but it does not look like it's going to be hard to sew. It's just going to be a lot of little pieces. So very cute, and as you can see, it's going to be using Corey Yoder's new line, which I'm going to show you next. So we have in this box, you guys, and one of my favorite things about these boxes is they never skimp on the fabric. We have an entire layer cake of the new Apricot and Ash line by Corey Yoder. It contains 42 10-inch squares and it retails for $40. These are such beautiful prints, and I don't want to take it out because I will literally never get it back in this roll again, but you can see all of the lovely colors. And you can see, if you want to see more information on these, you can find pictures online and whatnot. And I know Corey has them all over her Instagram and her website, and so does Moda. So here's kind of the end view of those layer cakes. I always like looking at those because you can kind of get a good feeling of what the what colors are included in the line here. But anyways, this is super pretty, and I'm really excited to have an entire layer cake of this fabric in my stash because I love Corey Yoder. I have a little box over there dedicated to all of her fabrics that I've been collecting, so yay. And I know you guys probably thought we were done because that's a lot of fabric and supplies, but we do have these cute tea towels. There are 2 of them in here. I'll go ahead and open them for you. So it's a set of 2 different 100% cotton tea towels featuring Lori Holt's Autumn Love collection for Riley Blake design. The towels measure 18 inches by 27.5 inches, and it retails for $15.95. Again, this is called her Autumn Love. Very cute, and they feel actually pretty nice and thick and sturdy. So here they both are. I think these are a really cute addition to this month's box. All right, guys, so that is everything that came in this month's box. With shipping, the value of this box was at $96.80, which is a great value. I always feel like Precuts classic quilt boxes pack their boxes full of great things, and I always am impressed on how much fabric you get because they really don't skimp on the fabric. I'm not even sure what item to hold up this month because I actually love it all. The thread is a beautiful color. I just couldn't fit it into my hands here. Let me know what your favorite product was from this month's box in the comments below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the September 2020 Precuts Classic Quilt Box. That's a lot of words. If you're new to these boxes, they are sewing and quilting. They are month. If you're new to these boxes, it also tells you who curate. It also tells you who. What will I use you for, little dots? Let me know what your favorite product was from this month's box below. Let's see.